My dogs are now here. Ooh. We have that. Some eating snacks. Ngayon kong hag. The dog is trying to go inside. The others are still eating. Cholo is here. Pension Bonita is still eating. They're gonna take a bath tomorrow. Okay, so... Oh no, don't go inside, don't go inside. It also loves to go inside, dogger. They're still here. Let me just put my snack down. Okay, there you go. Picture time. Picture. Okay, there's no more food, Shallow, you know. Okay. Hey, I'm going. Why are they still just a slow eater in that? Can you see them? There you go. Puncher's there. He's gonna pee, I think. I don't know. Let's watch him. There's Cholo. But they're still eating. Bonnie! Okay, Bonita's here. Hello there, Bonita. You go inside now. You see her? She doesn't still know that. Did she remember about Bruni? Miss Pancho not done eating. Cholo is still eating their few snacks or crumbs, I think. You're gonna scratch it now. His eyes is yellow and blue. Don't face on the flashlight. Let me just off it. Oops. Let's off it. Okay, now snow stopped. Show's just right there. Yeah. What are you doing, Bonita? You can have that. Yum. Do not tell me this.